Another beautiful morning. I am reached early at Pasiris Park before 7 am. I was excited to go out and look for the birds after a few days' rest. Migratory season already started. Birds reached in Singapore as expected, but not many as last year. Set up my tripod and camera is my first job to do. I am expecting some birds today, but not sure I am able to find it. Let me walk to the beach and enjoy the beautiful cool morning. Wow, look at the beautiful weather and sunrise. It's so beautiful. I have spotted one heron at the beach. The birds trying to find food. Luckily to have the low tide as expected. My past few trips to this place was disappointing because of the high tide. This part of the sea and this tree all under the water if there is a high tide. I was prepared and brought my mat along. I didn't think twice. Put the mat on the ground, decided to lie down on the beach, prone position. The bird was almost 10 meters away from me. The position helped me to photograph the bird in a really low angle, which makes outstanding image and videos. Adults have a blue-gray back and wings, white underparts, a black cap, a dark line extends from the bill to under the eye, and short yellow legs. Juveniles are browner above and streaked below. These birds stand still at the water edge and wait to ambush prey, but are easier to see than many small heron species. They mainly eat small fish, frogs, and aquatic insects. They sometimes use bait, dropping a feather or leaf carefully on the water surface and picking fish that came to investigate. They nest in a platform of sticks measuring between 20 to 40 centimeter long and 0.5 to 5 millimeter thick. The entire nest measures some 40 to 50 centimeter wide and 8 to 10 centimeter high outside, with an inner depression 20 centimeter wide and 4 to 5 centimeter deep. It is usually built in not too high off the ground in shrubs or trees, but sometimes in sheltered location on the ground and often near water. An adult bird was once observed in a peculiar and mysterious behavior. While on the nest, it would grab a stick in its bill and make a rapid back and forth motion with the head, like a swaying machine needle. It was really amazing to photograph the bird in low angle. It's time for me to wait for another bird. Now it's a waiting game. The sky is really beautiful. I met one friend at the location. We have discussed a lot about the bird photography. After waiting almost 1 hour, there were few lessers and plovers arrived, but it was very far from us. we are not able to reach closer due to the mud. This is one of the migratory birds here. I managed to take some better photos in my last visit. Size is one of the factors distinguishing a lesser sunflower from the greater sunflower, with the lesser being slightly smaller. However, it is not easy to rely on the size alone, especially when seen individually. The length of the bill is another distinguishing feature. With the lesser generally having a short bill compared to the greater. The color of the leg in a lesser sunflower is generally darker, ranging from black to grey, while in greater sunflower it is much paler, ranging from grey to yellowish. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching my videos. Please continue to support my channel. I will be uploading more videos. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you like my video, please hit the like button. See you in my next video. Thank you.